I hope you guys are able to see me and hear me. Just confirm me in the chat if you guys are able to see me and hear me. Just confirm me once in the chat, my friends. Okay, great, guys. So, guys, today we are going to complete the first chapter. Okay, today we are going to complete the first chapter of signals and system, that is signals. So that from tomorrow we will be starting with the LTI systems. Okay, so now before starting the session, let me introduce you myself for those of you who are meeting me for the first time. So my friends, my name is Ankit Goyal and I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. I myself got AIR 1 in GATE twice in 2014 and 2018, and I have been awarded the President of India Gold Medal by the President himself when I graduated from IIT Indore in the year 2013. Since my first rank was in GATE electrical, I can deal with all the subjects of electrical engineering. And my friend, if you want to learn under my guidance, my mentorship, then you have to join the revolution that we have created at an academy where we are providing the most affordable education to all the students of this country from the top educators of this country under one roof. Okay. And if you wish to join an academy, you just have to remember one thing. You just have to remember one thing, that you have to use the code Ankit Gate. You have to use the code Ankit Gate. Ankit Gate is basically my code that directly connects you with me and you learn under my guidance. Now the thing is, when I'm teaching for free, why to pay for the subscription? Because my friend, subscription is something that is a complete package and it is not all about the classes. It is much more than that. So here you have separate English and Hindi classes. You have DPPs, daily practice paper. You have weekly quizzes. You have test series. You have practice question. You have previous year question. You have doubt solving session. Everything under just one package. Under just one package, so that you can crack GATE with the best rank possible. So my friend, my other codes are Ankit ESE and Ankit KR10, but you use either Ankit GATE or Ankit ESE. Now, if you want to join an academy, you already have the Unacademy Learning app. Just click on GATE and ESE and click on Get Subscription. Then you can choose the plans that are there. Like this plan is best for final year or the dropout student, and the 2-year plan is best for third year students. Okay, and make sure that you use the code Ankit Gate, because Ankit Gate means that I'll be helping you out in the GATE examination. Now you can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking, or debit card EMI for HDFC and Bajaj Finserv, but don't forget to use the code Ankit Gate. Okay, so now, my friend, you can post the homework that I gave yesterday. Biswajit, now the number has changed. Guys, I am giving you the new number that is there, which you can call for any queries. You can call on this number if you want to inquire about the subscription. Okay. 7089047561. Is that clear? Now my friends, just tell me the question that you are not able to solve in the homework problem so that I can start with the new questions that I have for today. Today, what we are going to do, today we are going to learn about computation of energy of signals, the power contained in the signals. Okay, so we are going to learn about it. Now, quickly, Kishore, this is the third lecture. Only 2 lectures have been covered. So guys, what is the question? You are telling me e to the power. So my friend, if you want to check orthogonality, let me talk a bit about orthogonality. How to check about orthogonality? is that you integrate over a time period x1t, x2t dt. And if it comes out to be 0, the signals are said to be orthogonal. And if it does not come out to be 0, it is unorthogonal. Okay. Yes, this is called as the inner product. This is called as your inner product. Now the signals that you have given me, their product will be 1. So they are not orthogonal. Okay. Now, but I believe this question should have been something like this. This should have been something like this. In that case, you get so this will be 0. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear? अगर xt रियल नहीं है तो xt का कॉन्जुगेट होना चाहिए. एक सेकेंड, let me check, because as far as I remember there is no conjugate involved. Just let me check once. Yeah, actually for complex signal there should be conjugate. For complex signal there must be conjugate. So that means this is right now, this will be orthogonal. Correct. So guys, this will be this will come out to be 0, so this will be orthogonal. Okay. Okay. So let me give you the definition. For real signals, you can have and for complex, okay, that means you have to take the conjugate of one signal. Now let me tell you why conjugate. The question that might be coming into your mind will be why conjugate. Okay, the reason for that is, suppose if we take inner product of a signal with itself, then what we get? Inner product of a signal with itself, what we get? Okay, this is what we get. That means we get magnitude of signal. Correct. Now, Nagendra, I think just by formula itself, you can understand the difference between orthogonal and convolution. In convolution, we have tau, t minus tau. Here we simply have t. Now listen to me carefully. Suppose there is a vector. What is A dot A? What is A dot A? Or you can say like this. Correct? Correct or not? So to obtain the same thing like a vector, we need to take the conjugate. To obtain the same thing like a vector, we need to take the conjugate. Shall we move on now, guys? Shall we move on now? Okay. Mayank, basically this series is in English, but if you don't understand something, I can explain that in Hindi. ठीक है? ये इंग्लिश में चलेगी सीरीज. चल, आगे चलते हैं. Now, try this one, guys. Give me the answer in the chat section. This is the question. We have to find the energy of the signal that is given. Quickly, everybody. Rahul, this will be 2 omega t, that is cos 2 omega t, sin 2 omega t. Integration of cos and sin in one interval will be 0. Now try this. Chitranjan is saying 36 joule. Guys, I don't have option. It is NET type question. Why to have polling? You should be able to answer NET question. Arun, why it is 12J? How can energy be imaginary? Okay. Now let us see. The signal is basically having a center at 4, and this signal will be like this. Okay. This is the signal. Correct? Correct, guys? This is the signal. Always remember the width of triangle is basically 2t. The width of the triangle is 2t. Okay, -3 is there. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Now, with -3, the amplitude will be negative. Now, listen to me very, very carefully. Listen to me very, very carefully. What I do in such cases. What I do in such cases. See, the width of the triangle will be 8. I have told you now, if there is t in the denominator, the width is 2t, that is 8. Okay, Souvik? The width of the triangle will be 8. And its center lies at 4. Akshay, it will be 8. Why it will be 6? Why it will be 6, my friend? Okay. Now listen to me carefully, guys. Listen to me carefully. Now what I do in this case is I divide the triangle into two parts like this. So how do you calculate the energy? the energy of a signal X correct. I will say the equation of this line is this correct. Is this correct or not? Is this correct or not? The equation is this. Now, what I will say is the energy will be twice the energy in one half of triangle. Are you getting my point? It will be 2 times the energy in one part of the triangle. Clear to everybody? 64, 8. 8 into 9 by 3. That is 24. So the answer would be 24. Clear to everyone? Clear everybody? Okay. Now moving on. Try the next one. Try the next one. अक्षय मेरे भाई मैं तुझे कैसे समझाऊं? देखो पहले ये बना लो मेरे भाई, या चलो तुम शिफ्टिंग स्केलिंग से करोगे ना, एक काम करो, ऐसे लिख सकते हो, ऐसे लिख सकते हो. फर्स्ट मेक दिस ट्राइंगल t minus 1, triangle t minus 1. What will be triangle t minus 1? It will be shifted by 1. Akshay, do you agree this is triangle t minus 1? Do you agree, Akshay? Now, when you scale it by a factor of 4, when you scale it by a factor of 4, this triangle expands. Sanju, we have to find total area under the square, my friend. It will be same. Now is it clear, Akshay? Where is Akshay? Now, try this one, guys. Try this one. Quickly, everybody, I want answers. Every day we are going at a very slow speed. We can do better. We can go faster, guys. किशोर मेरे भाई मैंने किया तो है, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करके मानोगे? ये तो रहा 2. किशोर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाइड इट बाय 2. Sagar, any student can guide you about getting the PDF. It is a very simple process. Now, there is a ramp function that is starting at -2. Ramp function starting at -2. So the ramp will start at -1. The slope will become 0. At +1, the slope will become minus. This will be the plot of the function. Were you guys able to plot it or not? Tell me quickly. Were you guys able to plot it or not? Okay. So my friends, this is your xt. So again, if you see, we have two triangles. We have two triangles and one rectangle. Two triangles and one rectangle. So energy of X is again now my friend, what I do? Listen to me carefully. The simple trick that I do. The simple trick that I do. I shift this triangle to the right. I shift this triangle to the right. ये बात समझ आ रही है? ये ट्राइंगल इधर ले आए. अब इसकी इक्वेशन कितनी हो गई? टी. सो व्हाट आई विल से, two triangles, that is why twice, plus rectangle, it is t square by 2. Sorry, t square, so t cube by 3. एन के रेक्टेंगल में मेरे भाई मैंने लिमिट ही -1 से 1 रख दी, उसको डबल क्यों करोगे? प्रिया, if you directly take the square of the signal, if you directly take the square of the signal, this question will be very very difficult. It will be very very difficult. Remember, energy does not change by shifting the signal. By shifting the signal. Biswajit, I think the equation that you might have framed may be wrong. Okay. You need to frame the equation of the straight line, then integrate. Sai, the answer will be 8 by 3 only. Try the next one, guys. Again, energy. Again, try this. Yes, amplitude reversal will not affect it, but amplitude scaling will affect it. Let me write that as well. See, if xt has an energy E, then xt minus t also has an energy E. X of at has an energy E by A. Axt has an energy A square E. These are the relation, guys. These are the relations based on shifting scaling and amplitude scaling. So you guys were able to find this. This is 2t from ut to ut minus 1. That means this is the figure. So I'll say its equation is 2t. Okay, 4 by 3 joules. Try the next one. Try the next one, guys. Going great. You are going great. Try this one. Everybody try this. Arun is telling 2 by 3. What about others? Quickly, everybody. Ruchi, what happened in the last question? It is a simple straight line from 0 to 1. Everybody telling 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So let us first try and plot this. Let us first try and plot this. So RT means it will be going like this up to 1. After which there is a downshift of 2, which means it directly moves to -1. And still the slope remains the same, like this. And after that it is saying minus RT minus 2, so it will become 0, like this. This will be the graph of the function. Again, my friend, both triangle will have equal energy. So when I say energy of X, I'll say 2 times, that is 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Understood, everybody? Is this understood? Okay. Great, guys. Today you are doing really well. Try this one. I'm starting polling. In the meanwhile, you try and solve this. Come on, everybody. Let me see how many people are able to solve this. The time is almost up, guys. The time is up. Most of the people have correctly answered. Good. Today you are doing really well. Really happy in my third class. Now, xn plus minus 1 to the power n xn. We can verify the option, right? So, suppose y of minus 3. Or we can do one thing. Instead of doing this, if n is odd, yn is 0. If n is even, yn is 2xn. Rohan, basically, if you are getting lots of free lectures, what is the need of going after a standard book? So just make the odd numbered values 0 and even numbered values double. This will be the answer. B. Okay. Simple. Try the next one, everybody. Come on, guys. Every one of you can solve this. Every one of you can solve this. Okay, the time is up. So, guys, it is a very, very simple problem. See, it starts from 3 at n equal to -2. Then at n equal to -1, you get 3 minus 4, -1. N equal to 0, 3 minus 4 plus 3, that is 2. N equal to 1, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, -2. N equal to 2, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 6, that is 4. N equal to 3 will be 0. So what will be the answer? C. Okay. Try the next one, guys. Try the next one. Today we are going at good pace. ठीक है, तो इतने आप लोग ट्राई करो, मैं बाकी लोगों को समझा रहा हूं. See, what it was saying is a unit step starts at -2. A unit step starts at -2 whose value is 3. Whose value is 3. ठीक है, 3 वैल्यू का आ गया. अब -1 आते ही, -1 आते ही -4 आ गया. अरे क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं है, साइन टी यूटी, साइन 2t यूटी. ठीक, चलो पहले ये समझा देता हूं. फिर अगले पॉइंट पे -4 आ गया. -4 आते ही माय फ्रेंड इट बिकम्स -1. फिर अगले पॉइंट पे +3 और आ गया. ये दोनों तो चल ही रहे थे, +3 और आ गया, तो ये बन गया 2. फिर अगले पॉइंट से -4 और ऐड हो गया, तो 2 - 4 ये आ गया -2. फिर अगले पॉइंट से 6 और ऐड हो गया, तो ये आ गया 4. फिर अगले पॉइंट से -4 हो गया, तो ये आ गया 0. अब कुछ आया समझ? यूनिट स्टेप आगे आगे ऐड होता जाएगा. रोहन इंपल्स नहीं देखा मेरे भाई, देखो कुछ भी नहीं किया यार. तुम लोग पता नहीं ग्राफ में इतने कच्चे कैसे हो. पहला फंक्शन ऐसा था रोहन, पहला फंक्शन ये कह रहा था कि -2 के बाद हर जगह, -2 के बाद हर जगह क्या मिलना चाहिए? 3. ये पहला फंक्शन था. दूसरे फंक्शन ने ये बोला रोहन, दूसरे फंक्शन ने ये बोला मेरे भाई कि भाई -1 के बाद हर जगह -4 होगा. समझ आ रही है बात? तो यहां तो 3 आ गया, यहां 3 और -4, -1 आ गया। अगले पॉइंट से अगले पॉइंट से एक और यूनिट स्टेप आ गया, तो 3 वैल्यूज ऐड हो गई। समझ आ रहा है? जहां जहां से यूनिट स्टेप स्टार्ट होता जा रहा है, एक एक वैल्यू जुड़ती जा रही है, एक एक वैल्यू लगातार जुड़ती जा रही है। एंड एज द वैल्यूज कीप गेटिंग एडेड अप, तो नेट वैल्यू विल चेंज। नाउ इज इट क्लियर? नाउ क्लियर रोहन? ओके। Even and odd function of sine 2t ut. See, if you take x even t, so this becomes half sine 2t signum t. That is the even part. Okay, that is the even part. The next is odd part. So sine 2t so take sine 2t common. Ut plus u of minus t is 1. So this is half sine 2t. So which answer will come? Which answer will come, my friend? Even part contains signum t, A. Okay, the answer will be A. Try the next one, guys. Try the next one. Come on, everybody. NK Vishal sir has taken almost 100 hours for signal. Actually, when Vishal sir deals with signal, he deals in great detail. And that is true for each and every educator in my team. What experience they will give you, that will be unmatchable. Akshay, please answer in the poll, not in the chat, my friend. And guys, day by day, I'm seeing that the crowd is falling. Ayushi's signal is going to start on YouTube this month. पुनीत लोड फ्लो भी पढ़ा देंगे मेरे भाई, गेट में भी बहुत टाइम है, क्यों इतनी टेंशन में रहते हो तुम लोग? सी, आइडेंटिफाई द सिग्नल इज इवन और ऑड. cos square t even, sin square t even, sin t cos t, half sin 2t odd, sin t cos 4t odd. Okay, always remember, so the answer will be what? Answer will be C. Always remember, product of even is even, After control system, I'll take power system on YouTube. Okay. Now, अगला क्वेश्चन लगाओगे तो मार्क्स इंप्रूव हो जाएंगे टेस्ट सीरीज में भी. चलो. It is asking about xt. It is asking about xt. Even conjugate, odd conjugate, even odd. I am starting the polling. I am starting the polling, my friend. Come on, everybody, try and answer this quickly. And guys, from 17th, I am starting. From 17th, I am starting machines in RIB. From 17th, I am starting machines in RIB. If you want to join an academy, I was telling from 17th, I am starting signals and system. So if you want to join an academy, call on this number. Call on this number. Okay. And the time is up. So a complex signal xt is defined as real part of xt is ht plus h of minus t. Imaginary part gt minus g of minus t. See, ht is E1. So h of minus t is ht. So real part of xt similar question we did, Kushal, not exactly the same question. We did a similar question. आयुषी, सिर्फ कॉन्जुगेट का फर्क होता है. इवन कॉन्जुगेट में एक्स कॉन्जुगेट माइनस टी देखते हो. रियल पार्ट इज इवन, इमेजिनरी पार्ट इज ऑड. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? What will be the answer, my friend? The answer will be A. Even conjugate. Try the next one. Tell me the answer in the chat. Find the period of xt. Find the period of xt, my friend. Yes, it will be simply t. So the property that we use here is we say that when DC signal is added or multiplied to a periodic signal, the period does not change. The period does not change. Okay. Try the next one, guys. What will be next answer? What will be next answer? The next answer will be simply I don't know why many people are saying aperiodic, but it will be periodic. It will be periodic. Okay. When you say aperiodic, just by saying that it is multiplied with an irrational number, you are saying periodic. You are saying aperiodic. But my friend, pi itself is an irrational number. Pi itself is an irrational number. Where is pi rational? Are you getting my point? In discrete, yes. In discrete, it is aperiodic, but not in continuous. In discrete, if it was like this, then this will be aperiodic. Okay. But in continuous, this one is periodic. Akshay, check Vishal sir's classes. He might have done it. Try the next one, guys. Try the next one. Quickly, everybody. Today we are doing very, very well in terms of questions. What are we getting? 2 pi. What are we getting? 2 pi. Okay. The period of cos t is 2 pi. Its period is pi. So overall period is LCM. Aperiodic and non-periodic are same, Amit. Is 2 pi. Okay. मॉड से मेरे भाई पीरियड हो तो गया साइन टी का पाई. साइन टी का पाई तो हो गया पीरियड मॉड लेने से. हाफ तो रह गया. फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर की तरह सोचो ना. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर. Okay. Try the next one. This one we have already done, right? This one we have already done in terms of function. I think it was coming 8 by 3. Yes. Try the next one. Calculate the RMS value of 2 sin t plus 4 cos t minus 60. 2 sin t plus 4 cos t minus 60. Biswajit is telling 3.16. Let us see. Anyone else? Root 10, root 14. Let us see. First of all, can we write like this? Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Okay. Guys, treat them as phasors. They have the same frequency. They have the same frequency, my friend. Tell me how much it is coming now. You did not notice that they have the same frequency. 4.114. Yes, they are not orthogonal. They are not orthogonal. It is 4.114. Is this clear to everybody? Is this clear? So my friend, in the first chapter, in the signals chapter, what is expected from you is that you must know basic signals. In basic signal, what all you should know? Impulse, unit step, ramp, then GIF, LIF, rectangle, triangle, fractional part, signum. आयुषी, मैंने पैरेललोग्राम लॉ अप्लाई किया है, ठीक है। सिग्नम, ये सारे फंक्शन है जो आपको याद होने चाहिए। सेकेंडली, क्लासिफिकेशन। क्लासिफिकेशन में क्या क्या पता होना चाहिए? इवन ऑड, पीरियोडिक, एपीरियोडिक, ठीक है, इसमें सिंक भी जोड़ सकते हो, ठीक है। पीरियोडिक, एपीरियोडिक, एनर्जी एंड पावर, एनर्जी एंड पावर। और क्या बच रहा है? क्लासिफिकेशन, इवन ऑड, पीरियोडिक, एपीरियोडिक, एनर्जी, पावर, कॉन्जुगेट सिमेट्रिक एंड कॉन्जुगेट एंटी सिमेट्रिक, डिटर्मिनिस्टिक रैंडम, causal and non-causal, okay, so these are the things. Invertible signal is not invertible if they don't have same frequency, then under root a square plus b square. अरे तो इन्हीं सबका डिस्क्रीट वर्जन आ जाएगा ना, इन सबका डिस्क्रीट भी आ जाएगा। ऐसे और क्या पता होना चाहिए आपको? दैट इज मैनिपुलेशन। अरे बता रहा हूं, दैट इज शिफ्टिंग, स्केलिंग, रिवर्सल। सिग्नल भी होता है कॉजल, नॉन कॉजल, ठीक है। नाउ फॉर टुमारो, what you will prepare is classification of system. Classification of system, that is linear and non-linear, time variant and time invariant, then causal and non-causal, stable and unstable, invertible and non-invertible, static, dynamic। ये सारी क्लासिफिकेशन तैयार कर लेना, ठीक है। अब हम मिलेंगे आज शाम को 7 बजे। वी विल मीट एट 7 PM फॉर कंट्रोल सिस्टम क्लास। Yesterday I started the stability part. Yesterday I started the stability part and I was explaining how the stability is related to your signals and system. And my friend, if you want to study with us on Unacademy, then call this number. Do call this number, okay? Today there is no homework, just prepare these topics. Thank you everybody.